49. Sensitive church members. One of the most amazing facts about all too many church members is their extreme touchiness, and I do mean extreme. How often we hear someone say that they will never again set foot in that church after what the pastor or Mrs. Jones said to them or about them. All too often, these hypersensitive people have been the most ready to talk very harshly about other people. Their hypersensitivity to the least criticism goes hand in hand with a hypersensitivity to the shortcomings of other people. As a result, they read hidden meanings on all sides, sometimes with sharp insight, and also very often with a lack of charity and understanding. The counsel and command of St. Paul to all who are Christians, those who are hurt or who have hurt someone, is very clear. Quote, "Forbearing one another, and forgiving one another, if any man have a quarrel against any, even as Christ forgave you, so also do ye. And above all these things put on charity, which is the bond of perfectness." Colossians 3:13 and 14. Quote, "The bond of perfectness," end quote, "and unity in Christ is not the ability to be hypersensitive, but to be charitable and forbearing. Forbearance, charity, and love cannot be postponed to heaven. We need them here and now. If we cannot practice them here, we will not have the opportunity to practice them in heaven. We are required to be uncompromising about the things of the faith, but not about our own requirements. The standard is the Lord, not us. The church can never be the army of the Lord when so many church members are acting like hypersensitive hospital cases, and a pastor's continual task is smoothing ruffled feathers. Such hypersensitivity leads to basket case members, an impediment to Christ's church, and a great source of aid and comfort to its enemies. No doubt as you read this, you can think of a number of people whom all this fits. The important question is thus, does it fit you? And if so, what are you going to do about it?